Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x8009001d provider DLL file to initialize it correctly fix. And sorry for my English. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter and scroll down and select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters, one click, and select Windows Update and click on run button and wait a moment. Can be patient. Initializing the diagnostic tool, detecting additional problems, and in this case I detect this issue and click on close and click on close and go to the start menu and type cmd, right click in the command prompt and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and type SEFC space / scan no and hit enter. Beginning the system scan, this process will take some time, and beginning verification phase of system scan and wait a moment. 4% complete. Can be patient, and this process depends of your speed, internet connection speed, read and write, hard disk velocity, and the type of your processor. Depend if your machine is a desktop PC or laptop, and can be patient. This process will take some time and is very slow. This process is very slow. To apply the change, restart your computer, click on close and go to the start menu, select the power button and click on restart and wait a moment. And enter your PIN or password. And this is all. Your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.